Simona, you're getting older. Your journey's been etched on your skin. Simona,
Hello, can everybody hear me?
has no back. What seems so strong has been let go. I will call you Saturday night. Stay out till morning like the sun. Here we go, yeah. Time goes by, I will always be in love with you. 1973, saying here we go, yeah. Simona,
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
so I could split it now.
Okay, if you can hear me, type a 6 in the chat box and let me know. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Nice to meet you guys again. Hi, hello, everybody. If you can hear me and is everything okay, so please type a 6 in the chat box. Come on. Yeah, type 6 in the chat box. Thank you. Yeah, we have Sun Li, Fei, right? Okay, a lot of other kids. Good. Okay. So everybody, please get ready for today's live class. Everybody, come on. Okay, good. Okay, so if you're really ready and everything is okay for today's lesson, please type a 6 in the chat box and let me know. Come on. Okay. Yeah, is everything okay? Yes, good. Oh, no, somebody type no. Why? Why somebody type no? Okay, yes. So make sure you have a piece of paper and also get everything ready. Yeah, we still have like 1 minute. And by the way, how are you, everybody? You can share something with Jimson here. How are you today, everybody? Okay. Okay, yes, thank you. Yes. Okay, good. What about the kids in YouTube? On YouTube? Okay, is everything okay? Yeah, thank you. Clover leaf. Okay, thank you for 6. Yeah. Somebody said like, okay, chill, everybody. Okay, good. Yeah, so I think it's the time, okay, for today's live stream class. So first of all, do you still remember me? Type my name in the chat box. Come on. Because most of the time you see teacher Ali, but I'm not quite sure if you really remember my name. Come on. Type it in the chat box and let me know what's my name. Come on. Come on. Come on, what's my name? Yeah, very good. Okay, some of you type like Jimson. Very good. What about kids on YouTube? Come on. Nobody give me a response there. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, everybody. So I hope you remember my name. Okay. My name is Jimson. And my Chinese name is Huo Jinchen. You can also call me Jimu, okay? Because I think most of you know, okay, about Ollie, but not many of you know me, okay? So now let's continue. Today we're going to talk about geometry and forming and cutting shapes. Okay, so it's more about shapes. And today, Jimson is having a quiz for all of you, but not a quiz in class. Okay, it's actually a fun quiz about numbers. So hopefully everybody can follow me and finish the challenge. And hopefully you can find out the answer to the very interesting quiz for today. Okay, so now let's take a look. We have the warm-up question here. So let's take a look. In here, which piece can Karen cut out from the square below? Okay, so you see here we have a square. And in the square, we have a lot of shapes. And then we need to cut it out. And which of the following belong to the square here? So everybody take a look. What do you think is the answer? What do you think is the answer? Okay, so in here, you need to pay attention. What do we need to do? What do we need to do? First, we need to observe the shape very carefully. This is the very important step, okay? You need to observe. That means you need to open your eyes wide open and look carefully at each of the shape, okay? So everybody, let's take a look at the first one. Here we have a triangle. So where can we find a triangle in the square? So here we have a triangle, but do we have a square next to the triangle? No. And also we see another triangle here. And can we see a square next to the triangle? No. So bye-bye A. Okay, we don't choose A. Okay. And similarly, what about the B here? We have another triangle. But like I said, we don't have any square next to it. So bye-bye B. Yeah. And what about C? Which one do we need to look at? Maybe we look at the star, right? Because the star is very obvious. And you see the star is here. And besides the star, do we have a triangle like this? Yes or no? No, okay, because you see, even we have this one, it's not the same direction. So again, bye-bye C. Yeah. So what about D? Here we also have a star, but we have a diamond. Do we have a diamond next to the star? No. So actually, I can see a lot of you give me the correct answer. Very good. Yeah, a lot of you typing E here in the chat box. So you see, the answer is E here. Okay. So in here, we need to observe very carefully at the picture and find out the answer. Okay. So this is actually the warm-up. So now let's continue. This one is a little bit hard. Okay. So now let's take a look. Here we have a monkey has torn a piece from the Captain Jack's map. Okay, so that means here we have a broken piece here. And we need to find out the missing piece, which part is missing. So actually, this is also one of the real questions in SMKC. So now let's take a look at the picture here. Again, we need to observe carefully. And can you find anything special about the map? Come on, point it out to your parents. Yeah, point it out on the screen. Which is the special part in the map? I think a lot of you find out something, which is this one. We had a dotted line, right? Okay, I'm going to show you. It's here. Okay, so that means here for the missing part, do we have the dotted line here? If you think we should have a dotted line, give me a yes. Okay, or maybe give me an A, okay? And if you think we don't have the dotted line in the missing piece, give me a B. No, we don't have any dotted line. Which one? Come on, A or B? Yeah, a lot of you giving me the answer, but yeah, follow Jimson's logic here. Okay. Yeah, very good. Yes, right? The answer should be yes. Because here you have a dotted line. So that means we need to find the dotted line in the missing piece, of course. So which one is not the correct answer, everybody? Let's take a look, okay? Let's take a look. So can we choose A? Possible, right? Because here you see the dotted line. And what about B? Yeah, possible. You also see the dotted line. And what about C? Can we choose C? Yes or no? No, because we don't see any dotted line here. So bye-bye, C. We don't choose C. What about E? Yeah, possible, right? Because again, you can see the red dotted line here. But what about E? Can we choose E? No, no dotted line here. So bye-bye, E. So now, everybody, let's take a look again. So A, B, D. Which one is the answer? You take a look. Besides the red dotted line, which part is also very special? Again, use your finger to point it out on the screen. Come on. Which part is very special? To see if you think the same as Jimson, which part is also very special? Okay, yeah, I hope everyone is pointing it out correctly. What Jimson is thinking, ta-da, is here. Okay, so you see here we have something like a pond or maybe a lake. I'm not quite sure what it is. Okay, it's like a part of an oval. Yeah, part of the circle, something like that. So in here we need to find part of this in the missing part, right? So now if you go back to the three options, so will it be A, everybody? Will it be A? Somewhere around the dotted line here, we should have a part complete this lake or maybe pond. Do we choose A? Yes or no? Come on. Maybe no, right? Because in here, you see, we don't have anything that fit in the pot here. So bye-bye A, we don't choose A here. Okay? And what about B? What about B? The dotted line is here. Can you find any pot matching this one? Yes or no? Can you find this out? Okay. Actually, yes. Okay. So where is the pot? Yeah, where is the pot? The pot is right here. But somebody said, oh, it doesn't look like that. It doesn't look like this. What happened, everybody? What happened, everybody? So you see here, we don't directly put this here. What do we need to do to put in the piece? Show me with your finger. What do we need to do? Yeah, we need to rotate the piece. Right, everybody? Okay. So how are we going to rotate it, everybody? We rotate it like this. A, choose A. Or we rotate it like this. Okay, choose B. Rotate it like clockwise or anti-clockwise. A or B. How we fit in the piece here? A or B, come on. Yeah, I see somebody said like turn or flip. Actually, we turn, okay? We don't flip, okay? Yeah. So how we turn, how we rotate? How we rotate? How we rotate? Yeah, okay. I think B is faster, right? Okay, B is faster. When we rotate like this, okay, so actually we can fit in, okay? So actually the answer is clear. It's B, okay? It's B here, okay? And wait a second, what about D? Let's take a look at D. So D also had the red dotted line, but do we have the part matching this? Yes or no? No. And every kid, if you take a closer look, where can we find this kind of people and this mountain? Where can we find it? Yeah, we already have this in here. So that by D, okay? We need to make sure the options are wrong, okay? So the answer is B here, okay? So in here, before we find out the answer, sometimes we can find something like the red dotted line or maybe like a pond here. So remember Jimson's question, which part is very special? So hopefully you can start from the special part in the shape. Okay, is that clear, everybody? Give me an okay, come on, if you're clear. Yeah, observe carefully, and you can try to start with a special part. Okay, so after the warm-up exercise, congratulations. And now here is the first fun time for today. Jimson is going to have a quiz. Of course, it's a fun quiz, okay? So think about it. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Anybody knows? Tell me, or maybe tell the answer to your parents near you. Come on, why is 6 afraid of 7? I think some of you may think, oh, 7 is bigger. No, it's not like that. Okay, if you have Jimson's lesson, yeah, maybe you already know the answer because I have this quiz in my lesson. So anybody knows? I give you a tip. So what are the number after 7? What are the number after 7? Come on, come on. 6, 7, and then we have, yeah, 8 and 9. So what happened, everybody? I'm going to show you the answer. Okay, smaller. No, it's not about big or small. Come on, everybody. Because 7, 8, 9. Are you laughing? No. Okay. So everybody understands? So here's 7, 8, 9. You know, 8. So if 7 can 8, 9, of course, 6 is very afraid of 7 because 7 can eat other numbers. Is it terrible? Of course, right? Okay, yeah. So maybe you can ask this question to some of your friends. Okay, this is a little joke here, actually. Okay, so congratulations, everybody. And let's see. Okay, you need to give me a heart, everybody. Come on. Come on, give me a heart. You can give me a small heart. You can give me a big heart. Or maybe you can give me a medium heart, a heart like this. Come on. Yeah, I suppose everybody is giving me a heart to Jimson. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I give you a heart back to you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so everybody, let's continue to the second challenge. Okay, yeah, after the warm-up, actually the first one. So here, which is the missing piece? For this one, remember the 2 tips. Observe carefully and start with the special part. And in here, you see, we have the snowflakes in here. And you see, different snowflake has different layers. So what is the special part? Yeah, it must be the layers of the snowflakes. So everybody, can you count the layer for each snowflake? So in here, how many layers? Type it in the chat box. Oh, I think it's very easy. Okay, it's 1, right? 1 layer. There's only 1 layer. What about this one? Come on, it's a little bit hard to see. Take a closer look. Come on. How many layers? Is it 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, or 4 layers in the snowflake? Everybody, come on. Type the number. Yeah, not type the answer. Answer is not that important, everybody. Follow Jimson's logic. Yeah, how many layers in here? How many layers? Okay, 2 layer. Are you sure? We only have like 2 layers. So let's take a closer look. Here we have 1 layer, right? And then what else? We have the second layer. Oh, I think this one is a little bit too small for you. Yeah. And then actually inside it, we still have 1 more layer. Ta-da, it's here. Okay. So how many layers actually we have? Yeah, 3 different layers. Yes, I see a lot of you type a 3 in the chat box. Very good. So in here we have 3 layers. Okay. And what about the last one? The last one here, how many layers? For this one, I think it's very clear. How many layers? Yeah, 2 layers. Okay. So if we start from the special part, so we need to fill in the layer of the snowflakes. So let's check. Let's take a look at A. So how many layers do we have here? How many layers? Yeah. Okay, there were 3. And what about this one? The one on the right? Yes. Okay, it may be 2. Okay. And what about the one here? Yeah, it's 1. Okay, so it seems that it fits in. And let's move on first. Okay. And what about B? So for this one, we have only 1 layer. What about this one? How many layer here? How many layer? Yeah, here we have like 2 layers, right? Okay, 2 layers. Okay. And what about this one? This one has 3 layers. So the layers also are correct, right? Yeah. And what about the third one? So here, the third one, the left one, here we have, 2 layers. Yeah, you need to take a closer look. Yeah, be careful. And what about this one? Also 2 layers, right? And what about this one? Yeah, this one we have 3 layers. So can we choose C then? No, because we don't have 1 layer to fit in, right? Okay. And what about D? Let's speed up a little bit. Here we have 1 layer, and what about this one? This one has 3 layers. So can we fit in? No, so D, bye-bye. Yep. And what about E? What about E? So here we have like 3 layer, and here we have 3 layer, and here we have 1 layer. Can we fit in? No. Okay, so E is not correct. So everybody, A or B? Type your answer in the chat box. Come on, A or B? Which one is correct? A or B? So remember, we cannot directly fill in the piece. So maybe we need to turn the piece a little bit, right? Okay, very good. Yeah, a lot of you are correct, actually. Yeah, so the answer is actually A. Okay, so some of you make a mistake. It's okay. So let's take a look. For A here, if we put in the piece, how are we going to rotate? Yeah, how are we going to turn? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Yeah, very good. Actually, we turn it clockwise, right? So here we have the 1 layer filling here. And after that, we have 2 layer on the right. So it's actually correct. And then we have 3 layer on top. So it's actually correct. So A is the correct answer. But let's take a look at B. So if we fill in the piece here, we need to rotate like this, right? Okay, anti-clockwise. And if you here have the 1 layer fill in, and what about the next one? 3 layer, but in here we only have 2 layer. So this one is actually not correct. Okay, so for this one, it's a little bit hard. Always remember, sometimes we need to have the turn the shape, or maybe we need to rotate the shape. Okay, so you can either rotate it clockwise or maybe anti-clockwise. So you need to pay attention. This is a little bit hard. Okay, yeah. So now let's continue to the next challenge, question number 2. So similarly, here we have a square, but in the square, we have a lot of different shapes. Okay, so now we need to find out here which shape was not used. Pay attention. Okay, so among the 5 shapes, we can use 4 shapes to make the square like this. Okay, so now everybody observe carefully and start with the special part. Okay, the special part. So now let's take a look at A here. Which one is the special part? Can anybody show me, with your finger on the screen? Yeah, you can either find 3 stars. So actually, this one is the special part. Okay, so now can you find 3 stars and with 1 in the corner? Where is it in the square? Where is this 3 star? So it's not here because we don't have a corner of 3 stars. So it can only be here, right? 3 stars. And then here we have a diamond. So here we have a diamond. Actually, it fit in, right? So actually, A can be put here. Okay. And now let's continue. If A is here, let's move on to B. So which one is the special part in B? Special part. Very good. I think a lot of you may notice. Here we have 3 diamonds in a column, right? 3 diamonds in a column. So if we go back to the square, where are the 3 diamonds in one column? Yeah. Can you show me with your finger? Yeah, I hope you're using your finger to point. Okay, it's right here, right? Okay, so these are the 3 diamonds. And here we also have a circle. Where is the circle? Yeah, the circle is right here. So actually, it also fit in. Yeah, so B, maybe we can use. Okay, so now let's continue. What about C? Let's move on to C. So see here, we have 2 stars and 1 circle. So of course, maybe we look at 2 stars. Okay, 2 stars is here. Okay, and if we go back to the square, where are the 2 stars? Yeah, the 2 stars only appear here. Okay, and then you see there is a circle. So here we have a circle. Yeah, can we use this? Yes, right? And again, don't forget, here we need to rotate a little bit, right? So we turn so we can have a shape like this. So now let's look at the square. Which shape is missing? Can you find a special one? Of course, here we have 3 arrows with 2 circles. So which one is the answer? Which one can be used? Yes, of course, C can be used, right? 3 arrow and 2 circle here. So C can be used. And again, we need to rotate. We need to turn a little bit. So you see, everybody, which one is the correct answer? Yes, I see a lot of you typing D in the chat box. So you see, D is the correct answer. Okay, so we need to choose D because D is not used. Okay, D is not used. Pay attention, we are looking for not used. Okay, so practice number 2. Congratulations, everybody. Yeah, so let's continue. Here we had a bonus question. Yeah, and in here it's about puzzles. It's about puzzles. So actually in SMKC, we have some questions like this. It's not about the regular shape, it's about puzzles. So here, let's take a look. 4 pieces, and she only needs 3 to fill the given frame. So which one is leftover? So which one is not used? Okay. So now let's take a look. Among A, B, C, D, which one do you think is the special part? The special one. What do you think? Type the number, type the letter in the chat box. Which one do you think is special? Yeah, find the special one because you can actually try D, C, B, A, but try to find the special one so that you may have a quicker way to solve the problem. Yeah, very good. A lot of you type A, right? Jimson also think A is the special one. Why? You see here we have 4 parts sticking out, right? But compared to A, you see B has 2 like this. And C has 1 like this. And D has 1 like this. It's not sticking out, right? Okay, it's like it's cut out. Okay, so now let's look at A. So if we want to put A inside the frame, so which area do we need to fill in? A, B, or C? Come on, this is a very important question. If we try to put A inside the picture, where do we put it? Can we put it in A, B, or C? Come on, in the chat box. Yeah, somebody is typing middle. Really good. Yeah, thank you. Yes. So which one do we put in? A. Can we put in C? Are you sure? Yeah, we don't have this cut out. No. Okay. So we cannot put in C. And similarly, can we put in A? No, again, right? Because here we have all 4 parts sticking out. So that means we can only put it in B. So now everybody imagine if I put A inside B. So what are the 2 pieces missing? Can you picture them out? Can we put either B, C, D in? I'm going to show you, okay? So if I put A inside it, so it will be like this, okay? Yeah. Okay, like this. Jimson's drawing is actually good, right? Okay, not very ugly, okay? Yeah, ta-da! So you see here, what's the missing 2 pieces? So you see here we have 1 cut out and 2 cut out, right? So which one we fit in, everybody? B, C, D. Which one do we fit in? Which one do we fit in? B, C, D. When we have 2 cutouts. Yeah, very good. We can fit in B, right? Okay. And similarly, everybody, let's look at the other piece. Here we also have 1 cutout and 2 cutouts. So if we use B already, C and D, can we use C or D to fit in this piece? Yes or no? Think about it. Actually, no, right? Because we need 2 cutouts. And in here, we only have 1 cutout, and here, oh no. And in here, we only have 1 cutout and the other, no. So actually, we cannot fill in C or D here. Okay, so kid, let's go back. So can we put A here in the picture? Yes or no? Can we put A here in the picture? Yes or no? Yeah, maybe. No. Because if you put A, we can only put it in the middle. But if we put it in the middle, we cannot put in the other 2 pieces, right? With B, C, D. So you see, actually, the answer is A. Okay, the answer is A. So pay attention for this one. You can start with the very special part in the option. A is the special part. So you start with A. Okay, so now Jimson leave a question to you. If we can put B, C, D inside the frame, how are we going to put this? How are we going to put this? Okay, so now this is a question for you to think about it. Do we have any, do we have only one option? You think about it, okay? Because of the time, I do not have the time to explain a lot in detail here. Okay, so I leave it to you. How are we going to put BCD inside the picture? Okay, so now congratulations everybody for challenge 1 and challenge 2. And now here is the fun time. Okay, quiz number 2. Are you ready for the fun time? Okay, it's a dad joke. So think about it. Why How do you make 7 even? By the way, do you know even? Even number? Do you know even number like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? Okay, which we can pair up together. So we call them even number. Okay, so how you make 7 even? What's in your mind? What's in your mind? Yeah, I think somebody may mention +1. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. 8 is an even number. Or maybe like -1. 6 minus 1 equals 6. Yeah. Possible, it's logical. Yeah. But like I said, it's actually a that joke. Anybody? 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 Think about how we spell 7. How we spell 7. I'm going to give you a tip like SEVEN. So how can we make 7 into even? Any idea? Okay. How? Okay, I am going to show you. We just need to take away the S. Ta-da! That's the answer. Take away the S. After you're taking away the S, so it's even now. You got it, everybody? Okay, so actually this is a dead joke. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Oh, this time Jimson needs to make a face. Okay. Oh, so lucky. So I need to make a face. And again, promise me, don't give me a screenshot, okay? Because I remember in last week's lesson, when Jimson give you a heart, somebody had a screenshot of Jimson. I know it because your parent, one of the parents told me secretly, okay? Yeah. So now I'm going to give you a face, but do not have a screenshot. Promise me, okay? Everybody, like, count down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that's it. Okay, hopefully you don't have the screenshot. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So that's it, okay, for quiz number 2. And now, everybody, let's move on to the last question, the last challenge for today. And here we have a warm-up. So here you see we have a different type of the question. The central cell of the square was removed. So here we don't have any square. Okay. And we cut the rest of the square into identical pieces. Identical means the same. Okay. Identical means the same. So we cut it into same pieces. And which type of the piece is not possible to get? So now, what are you thinking about? Yeah, it's not like what we did just now. So I think a lot of you may try. This is a good logic. For example, for A, we try like, okay, we can try. But everybody, if you really draw out the entire shape, I think it's a little bit messy. So now Jimson is going to help you. Instead of drawing the entire shape like this, okay, so actually we can use the skeleton to help us. You know skeleton? Okay, something you can see in Halloween. That is the skeleton. So that is the bone, right, of the body. So you see, instead of drawing the entire shape, we can just draw the bone of the shape. So how? So, ta-da, this is the skeleton of the shape. So we just draw a line in the middle of the shape. Okay, so we can use this to represent the shape. And then we can use the line here to fill in the shape. Is that clear, everybody? So now, what about the skeleton for B? Can you show me with your finger what is the skeleton for B? Yeah, it's just a line in the middle. Ta-da. What is the skeleton for C, everybody? Come on, show me with your finger. Yeah, so in here we have the skeleton like this. Or maybe it's like a fishbone. Yeah. And what about D? What does the skeleton look like? Very good. Here it's L shape, something like an L shape, right? Okay. And what about E? Yes, very good. The same, right? We had a line in the middle. Yeah. So here we have the skeleton like this. So we use the skeleton to help us. Okay. So now let's take a look. So if we try A first, how are you going to fit in? So actually for this part, we have a lot of different ways. So what Jimson showed you is one of the ways. You can try it by yourself, okay? So usually we start it with an order. And how do we start it? Can we try like, oh, one go this and one go this and one go this? Yes or no? No. So usually we can start from the corner, from the side. Okay. So here, if we start from the corner, I'm going like this. Okay. And then I go like this. Yeah, of course you can go the other way. Somebody may think, okay, Jimson, can I go like this? Can I go like this? Yes. Okay. So like I said, there are many different ways. Okay. It's not only one way. Yeah. So what Jimson trying is I go like this. Okay. So let's continue. What about this part? Yeah, you can either go like this, right? Or maybe you have some other ways. Okay, I can go like this, right? Yeah, either is okay. Like I said, many different options. And let's continue. And for this two, yes, we go like this, right? And then we have one. So actually, we can use A. What about B? Can you try by yourself, everybody? Can you try by yourself? Yeah. So I'm going to have a look. So for B, here we had 3 boxes. So again, we start from the corner, the edge. Here we have 1. And everybody, if I put 1 here, what about these 2? Can we go like this? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Yeah, so how am I going to fit in? Yeah, we do it from top to bottom. So here we have 1, and here we have 1. So now everybody think about this too. So which one do we put in? We put in A like this. Or we put in B like this. Think about it, everybody. Okay, for this area, how are we going to put the B here? A or B? A or B? Come on. Yeah, I think the answer is very obvious, right? Very clear. Because there's not enough space, so we can only put B. So you can turn the shape, okay? You can rotate the shape. So we go like this. We have 1, and then we have 1. And again, what about for this part, for this area? Yeah, we go up again, right? So here we have 1, and here we have 1. And you see, for the last piece, ta-da! So actually, we can also use B. Okay. And what about C? Can you continue to try? Yeah, if you have the time, you can try it on the screen. Because Jimson now has a bigger screen, right? Compared to the last previous lesson. So here, let's take a look. I'm going to show you with the blue color. So again, let's start from the corner. So here we have 1. So what about this one? Yeah, okay. So we fill in this one, so we can go like this, right? Okay, because we can turn. We can turn the shape. Okay. And after that, can we go like this? Everybody think about it. Yes. Give me an A. No, give me a B. Can we put in like this? Yes or no? Can we put like this? Yes or no? A or B? Somebody said yes. Are you sure? Are you sure? Actually it's no, right? Why? Point it out, everybody. Point it out why no. Yeah, if you do like this, what about the corner square? We cannot put in anything, right? So we try to cover most of the boxes, most of the squares. So we go like this. Okay, turn a little bit. Okay, so that we can fit in the corner. And then here we go like this. And again, for the next part, we don't go this. Okay, so we go the other way. Ta-da, like this. And then let's continue one more here. And again, here we have one more here. And then here we have one more here. Yeah, so actually we can also use C. And what about D? The L shape. Okay, can you try it by yourself again? So here we have the L shape. Yeah. So again, we start from the corner. So how? From the corner, can we try like this? Okay, can. If you try like this, I think it's a little bit hard for you because you need to like rotate. So I would like to rotate in the beginning. So what do we have? So maybe we have a shape like this, right? I rotate it, right? Rotate it. So I rotate like this. Okay, I turn like this. Okay, yeah. So for the other one, how we put in here? Yeah, again, we put one piece here. What about this area? Can I put like this? Can I put it here? Okay, maybe no. Okay, yeah, somebody may think yes, but we can rotate. Okay, maybe we don't flip over. Yeah, so maybe we don't try this. Okay, so continue, everybody. Let's try another one. So how are we going to do it? Yeah, so maybe we go from here. And what about the other one? What about the other one? Let's try. Okay, so we go from here. Yes. Okay, we go to the bottom. Yes, right? And after here, what can we do? Yes, we can put in here. Right? Okay. And what about in here? Yes, we can go like this. Okay, we can go like this. Okay. And after that, what else can we do? Yes, what else can we do? So we can go like this. Yeah, possible. But like you said, maybe it's a little bit hard again. So everybody, for this one, I hope you can be patient. Yeah, I give you some time. Can you try to put in the L shape? Yes or no? Can you try? Yes? I give you some time. So for today's exercise, you need to try your best. Okay, to try different ways. Because sometimes you will get stuck, like what I did here, but it's actually okay. So let's take a look one more time. Okay, so if we start either way, so maybe we start from the other corner. What about we start from here? Okay, from the other corner. Yeah, we just try from different corner. So if we try here, let's take a look what about the other one. Yeah, can we try the other one? So let's take a look in here. We can put one here. Okay. And after that, what else can we put? Yeah, so here we have a shape in here. Okay. And after that, what else can we do? Yeah, what about this one? Yeah, so we turn a little bit. So here we put one here. Right? Okay. And after that, what can we do? What can we do? Yeah, so for here, actually, we can turn again and put it here. Yeah. And then you see, actually, we have the answer. We turn again here. Yeah. So for this one, it's a little bit hard. So kids, okay, you may get stuck like what Jimson did here, but it's actually okay. Just try, okay? Try your best. Sometimes it's not only once. Maybe you need to try twice or 3 times. So that will happen in math. Okay, so be patient. Jimson will encourage you more. Okay, so for the last one, let's take a look. So maybe we already know the answer. Maybe it's E, right? But we try. Okay, we try here. So let's take a look. I use the green one or maybe this one. Oh, I change a color. What about white one? Yeah, I try the white one here. Okay, so again, if we put in here, we start from the corner. We have one here. Okay. And what is the next one? What is the next one? Yeah, so maybe we need to fit in this area, right? Okay, so you see here. Okay. And after that, what about this area? Can we? Let's take a look. Yeah, actually we can. Okay. And what about this area? Everybody take a look. So you see, we can only put in here. But if we put here, what will happen? Yeah, there is a missing box. Okay. Any different idea, everybody? So somebody may mention, okay, what about I put like this? Oh, things getting worse, right? We have 2 missing pieces. Okay. So you see, actually for the T shape, can we fit in all the square with the T shape? Yes or no? Actually, no. Okay. So you can continue to try. For the sake of the time, Jimson does not going to show you. So you can have a try by yourself. Actually, we don't have any way to fit in the T shape here. Okay, no matter you try. Okay, so here we already know the answer. Okay, it's E here. Yeah, so everybody remember to use the skeleton to help us. Yeah, I think that will be the end here for today. Yeah, besides, we have one more question to go. Yeah, so for today's lesson, you see it's a little bit longer than usual, right? But after you know the skeleton for this one, I think it will be easy. Yeah, so let's take a look at the last one. So here we have Anna had a lot of these tiles. It's actually an L shape. Yeah, so remember what we learned? Use the skeleton to help us. Okay, the L shape. And then here we need to find out how many of the following shape can she make gluing together two of these tiles? Yeah, you need to find them out. So for the first one, what do you think? Can we use two pieces to form the shape? Give me A, yes, or B, no. Yeah, you can try by yourself. For the first one, A or B, yes or no? Can we fit in two pieces? Yes or no? Yeah, actually we can, right? So here we have one here and the other is here. Yeah, we just turn over. Okay. And what about for the second one? Can we have two pieces here? Yes or no? Again, continue to type A or B. A or B for the second one. Yeah, can, right? Okay, so here we have the L shape and here we have the L shape. Yeah, can. Yes, very good. A lot of you are typing. Yeah, can. Okay. And what about the third one? The third one, can we? Can we? So here you can see we have one in here. And then, yeah, we have one here. We again rotate it. Yeah. And for the last one, can we? Yes or no? Give me an A or B. Come on for the last one. Actually, we can write one here and one here. Yeah, actually we can. So you see, what is the answer? We can have 1, 2, 3, and yeah, 4. Very good. Because in the beginning, I see somebody already type an E here. Good job, everybody. So for today's class, it will be a little bit hard. Yeah, before we move on to the quiz, let's sum up a little bit. Okay, yeah. So in here, when we have to form and cut the shapes. Remember the 3 tips Jimson gives you here. The first one, open your eyes, right? We need to, yeah, observe carefully. And the second tip, remember, like the one here, remember, we need to find out the special part. Start from the special part. And for the third one, remember, when you have a shape like this with the make of the squares, what can we use? Yeah, we can use the skeleton to help us. So in today's lesson, in today's DMD, I hope you will try to use the skeleton. Okay, so in here, some tips. Mark the time span. Try to do it as soon as possible, but with the correct answers. And again, the second one, write the steps and do it carefully. Okay, so if no problem, everybody, give me a 6 in the chat box. Wow, today's lesson is a little bit long. Sorry for that. Come on, give me a 6 in the chat box. And then we are going to have the last quiz for today. Okay, the last quiz for today. Yeah, thank you for the 6. Yeah. So the last quiz. Why did the 2-4 skip a meal? Skip means like didn't have. Why did the 2-4s didn't have a meal? Why? Any idea? 2-4s. 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 Okay. Yeah. So somebody is thinking about 8, right? So I'm going to tell you the answer. Because they already ate. You got it, everybody? They already ate. That means they are full now. They're not hungry. That's why they skip a meal. Okay, yeah. Hopefully you enjoy the fun quiz, okay? Yeah, let's take a look. The last one. Oh, you got a game. Actually, I accidentally showed you the game already. Ta-da! So this is the game. Okay, I blocked the one piece. So can you tell me which one is the missing piece? Yeah, is it A, B, or C? It's actually close to what we learned today. A, B, or C. So you need to observe carefully, find out the special part, and put in there. A, B, or C, come on. A, B, or C. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, okay. So first of all, the special part, I think is the blue flag, right? So it's not A. And then here, another one. Actually, we have a pattern. We have the red flag in between 2 yellow triangle here. So actually, we put in C. Let's take a look. Oh, what happened? Why we cannot choose C? No, something wrong here. Oh, yeah. I think it's a little bit dragging. Oh, yeah. Okay. What happened? Why I cannot choose this? Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. I'm dragging it to the place, but something wrong with my mouse. What happened? Oh, I think something wrong. I think the answer is C, okay? Yeah. I think something wrong here. Yeah, forgive Jimson for this. Okay, it seems working. Let me try. Let me try. For the last time. No, it cannot fit in. Okay, I think I got it. I got it carefully. Okay, I got it. Wait. Oh, it's moving. I think it's the internet problem. I don't know why it doesn't really show. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, I don't want to waste the time because it's long enough. Okay. Yeah, so I think that's the end here. Congratulations, everybody. Yeah. So do you enjoy Jimson's lesson, everybody? If you enjoy, type the last 6 in the chat box. Come on. Yeah, and like I said, really sorry for today because it's a little bit longer than usual. Okay. So remember to finish the exercise and we meet again next time. Okay, everybody. Bye. Yeah, it's really a long one. Okay, bye. Yeah, okay, bye. Thank you. Come on. Enjoy your rest. Yeah, it's really long. Yeah, usually we should have end before like 5:30. Yeah. Okay, bye, everybody. Bye. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. Bye, everybody. Yeah, see you next time. Yeah, bye.